At Winnebago Sightseer For Sale in Weaverville, North Carolina 28787. Spread your wings and fly with this 2008 Winnebago Sightseer. This Class A motorhome is 29 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Ford V10 gasoline engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 2 new awnings and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 29,142 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago Sightseer will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2008 Winnebago Sightseer is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great layout, great cooking area with 3-burner stove and convection microwave / OvenHigh Quality CabinetryRefrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with bench, SeatingTelevisionSurround SoundDVD / CD / Bluetooth RadioSofa ChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster queen-size bed full-size master closet / DresserNew TiresNew a CArmor roof with lifetime WarrantyBack GeneratorTow bar and so much more. This 2008 Winnebago Sightseer is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago Sightseer is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2008 Winnebago Sightseer.